Hey everybody, hope everyone is doing well today. So today's episode of Fire Me is going to be with the IPO portfolio on none other than Beyond Meat. Now, for most of you that have followed this IPO, this thing has been just a rocket ship. Part of the reason for that has been because of the lack of shares and a huge demand for this. Does that mean it's a good deal? I think absolutely not. With our new approach to the IPO portfolio, we will not be buying this for a few reasons. Number one, I'm just not interested in this company at this valuation. Number two, even though I think this is a growing trend, I don't actually believe that the valuation makes any kind of sense, and it would take a long time for this company to grow into it. They're kind of like the Tesla of the food world, in my opinion. Great product, highly innovative, but there's still a long ways to go before the company actually becomes super profitable and makes sense to be paying these kind of prices. But like I was saying, there's a few reasons this stock skyrocketed. The lack of supply of shares, there was a short squeeze on this company. It has come down from the highs a little bit, but it's still pretty expensive. Now, there's a few reasons why you might be interested in buying this company, however, and I'll just list a few of them. So one is the ethical/environmental reasons, where you think you're making a smaller impact by not eating cattle or animals. It's all vegetables, so if you're vegan or vegetarian, this kind of suits your menu or profile for what you can eat. But there's actually quite a few negatives about their products, and the main thing that I don't like about it is the highly processed nature of the product. So you have to do a lot of stuff to the vegetables to actually make them into meat, including using highly toxic chemicals to process some of this stuff. If you read up on it, on the internet, there's fairly good articles that lay all that stuff out. Also, there's a ton of salt in it, so you really aren't eating this to be healthy. You're eating this for, because you don't want to harm animals or something to that effect. So, interesting idea, good product. I think there's some other manufacturers that maybe do things a little bit different. I've never tried a Beyond Meat burger, but people tell me that they taste fairly similar to beef. So for myself, if I'm not going to eat this, I'd rather just eat a regular hamburger. But I do realize for some people that this vegetarianism is very important, so possibly a good alternative, but these are not technically healthy alternative meat choices. So anyways, that's why we will not be investing in this. Primarily because of the valuation aspect of it. If it does grow into its valuation and start shedding a dividend, we will relook at it. But for now, interesting company. I am curious how big the market actually is for these products. Time will tell. But for now, we're going to stay out. And that is your IPO portfolio company of the day. Give the video a like, make sure to subscribe for more of these types of videos if you haven't already, and leave a note in the comment what you guys think of Beyond Meat. Is this something you guys would actually invest in, or is it maybe something that down the road you could be interested in? See you later, guys.